In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an event on Squarespace, whether you're planning a virtual meeting, a workshop, or any special occasion. Squarespace offers a robust platform to help you manage and promote your events seamlessly. Let's dive in and explore how you can set up your event with ease. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Event Management panel. This is your main hub for organizing all your events. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice this panel clearly lists all your existing entries. It's a handy way to keep track of everything you've got planned and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Now, to create a new event, you need to click the plus icon located at the top right corner of this panel. This is your gateway to launching a blank event editor where the magic happens. Once you click that plus sign, a new editor will open up, ready for you to fill in the details of your upcoming event. The first thing you'll need to do is give your event a name. Click into the headline placeholder at the top of the editor and type in the title of your gathering. This could be anything from monthly book club to annual fundraiser gala. Be sure to choose a name that clearly communicates the essence of your event and piques the interest of potential attendees. After naming your event, it's time to set the date and time. Click on the date field and you'll see a calendar interface pop up, making it easy to select the specific day for your event. It's important to be precise here as this information will help your attendees plan accordingly. Once you've selected the date, don't forget to input the exact start and end times. This ensures everyone knows when to arrive and how long they can expect the event to last. As you're filling in these details, remember that the clarity and accuracy of this information are crucial. It helps to prevent any confusion and ensures a smooth experience for everyone involved. If you need to make any changes later, you can always come back and edit these details before your event goes live. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have your event all set up and ready to share with your audience. Squarespace's intuitive interface makes it easy to manage your events and keep everything organized in one place. Whether it's a small gathering or a large conference, you now have the tools to present it professionally and efficiently. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with creating events on Squarespace. Remember, the key to a successful event is in the details, so take your time to ensure everything is accurate and appealing. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with your event planning.